Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can scan your WordPress site or any other site, it doesn't matter if it's WordPress or not, in order to detect any SEO issues with Savvy for free. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to scan your website, in order to detect any SEO issues on your website, you have to go inside your website, savvy.com, and right here on the main page, you can see that you have on the home page the option to enter your website URL and start analyze right here. So let's take for an example my website, and I will start analyze my own website. So I just put here itayverchik.com, start analyze it, and for free I will be able to scan my website in order to detect any SEO issues that I have without logging in or signing up. But it will only allow me one scan for my own IP. So as you can now pay attention, it will scan my website and see if I have any traffic or what is my DR domain rate that I have, and also how many backlinks, keywords, and organic monthly traffic. Now, it has discovered 17 pages, and as you can see right here, 5 successful and 12 broken, so I have to fix a lot of issues. Also, one is blocked from scanning. This is because maybe I blocked any bots from scanning my website, and when it's finished, I will see also the page speed test that I have on Google for mobile and desktop. Now, because it's free, I will only be able to see the desktop score, but when I pay, of course, a subscription, I will be able to see also the mobile score. Now, these are all my SEO issues that I have. So in order to view those, I have to log in and create a free account. After I've logged in, I will be able to see all of the lists of my SEO issues like I have here. Missing H1, too short of title, missing meta description, 500 errors on pages, and also too short text length in pages, like below 350 words for each page. And this is how you do it. As you can see, you have the organic keywords, backlinks, how many organic traffic, and domain score as well. This is a weak website that I have on English, not my main website, that I have many more organic traffic. Like I can show you right here on my COIL website, I have more than 45,000 organic monthly traffic and much better score for Google, more organic keywords, and many more pages. So this is my real main website. So this is how you can scan for free any website you want in order to be able to see any SEO issues that might appear. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy to use Savvy in order to scan your website to detect any SEO issues that you have with Savvy. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below and I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share. And good luck.